enough to try to keep the truck moving. Back up a little bit. Damn. Back up. I don't know what that is.
You don't know what that is?
No, I don't see what it is. Back up for I think it's just a rock underneath the rear bumper. Back up. You're gonna, when I'm trying to bump it, you're gonna bump, not full throttle. You're gonna bump it, and unless you actually feel the truck get light, don't get out of it. If you feel it like it's gonna bounce like last time, then let out of the throttle.
Alright.
But just give it gas and just try to keep it going that way. You don't want to come towards me. Back off, all the way off. Ease it down. Back up a little. Make sure what's the front you're doing. Oh. You don't want to put that right tire. You don't want to climb this with it. So pretty much further over this way you can get, without climbing that, the better off you are. So come straight towards me. God, behind the trees. Okay, hold on. Come a little closer. Let me give you a teeter rock.
Don't move, Nick.
Yeah.
What's on the brake?
Come a little closer. Alright, right there is where you're going to bump it.
Pop it?
You gotta go kind of pop up. When you do, make sure you try to turn the wheels just enough to the right. Not a whole lot, just a little to the right. Right, not left. Not left. There you go, right there. And then if you feel it bounce, get out of the throttle.